Okay, so this is the game Trypophobia. Okay, I made a login screen which is connected to a server. It has a sign up option and a login option. Let me put some random things that credentials that are not correct, and you're gonna see a message notifying you as such. And then let me put a registered user. And if you log in, you're gonna hop up into the game. And in the game, what you can do is press space, and it will raise your hand so you can look at it. And in your palm, you're gonna, let me maximize this. In your palm, you're gonna notice a hole. And what you gotta do is keep pressing space until you get your hand close to your eye so you can see the hole better. Okay, and when you're close enough, the hand will retract. And now you press space again. This is the next level. You're gonna have another hole on top of the other one. And yeah, you're gonna keep repeating the same process, and you're gonna see more holes and more holes. And this hopefully will make it easier for you to simulate the end of the game, which is a lot of holes in your palm, which looks horrible. Okay. Other details that you might see in the game are the reflective mirror. You can see it by the shade of the hand or by the tilting head. And the most important aspect is the hole, which is actually, if we hop into the screen of into the scene view, you can see that the hole is actually distorting the view from behind, from the backplane. And that's because this is coded to be an actual black hole shader. And yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see it distorting the space and the view behind it, the light. Well, not really the light on the shadow, but the light as the camera sees it, as the player sees it. Yeah, and this is the main point of this game, to make a shader of a black hole, which I've repurposed to treat trypophobia. Yeah. Thank you for watching. This was my project.